You're not tired because life is hard. You're tired because your daily structure works against you. Most people blame laziness or weak discipline, but that diagnosis is wrong. When your system is broken, even simple tasks drain you. You wake up already behind. You check your phone before your brain is online. You procrastinate until small problems become emergencies. Japan addressed these problems with habits so small they seem trivial, but they're structural systems that control your energy, focus, and self-respect. Kaizen. Stop trying to redesign your life in a weekend. Change everything at once: new routine, diet, sleep schedule, and your brain says no. Most people quit because the plan is too intimidating. Kaizen means one small improvement every day, just 1% harder than yesterday. Room a mess? Pick up one item. That's the point. 1 becomes 2. 2 becomes a corner becomes momentum. Want to exercise? 5 push-ups. Want to read? 1 page. Fix one thing every day and you stop waiting for motivation. You're building evidence. Ikigai. Some people aren't exhausted because they work too much. They're exhausted because nothing feels connected. Ikigai is your reason for getting up, a real direction. Without a why, every task feels heavier. Work feels like a cage. Studying feels like punishment. With a reason, effort changes shape. You're not working late, you're building freedom. Ask yourself, what do you enjoy? What are you good at? What problems do people bring you? Where those overlap is your Ikigai. Hara, hachibun. That heavy feeling after a meal isn't normal. It's your body sending a bill. Eat to 80% full. Your stomach signals fullness with a delay. If you eat fast, you're over capacity before your brain knows. Halfway through a meal, pause. Ask, am I still hungry? Or just continuing because the food is here? One pause saves your whole afternoon. Shinrin yoku. Your brain wasn't designed for screens. Most people don't rest. They switch noise sources. Laptop to phone, phone to TV. Forest bathing means taking your nervous system outside to settle. No podcast, no scrolling. 10 minutes, no headphones. Walk without achieving anything. That uncomfortable feeling isn't boredom, it's withdrawal from overstimulation. Wabi, sabi. Perfection is fear dressed up as standards. You delay the project, avoid posting, refuse to start because conditions aren't ideal. Wabi sabi accepts imperfection, not carelessness, knowing life is always slightly unfinished. That draft is usable, that email is clear enough. That workout still counts. Perfection freezes you. Wabi-sabi lets you move. Gaman. Stop turning every discomfort into a drama. Sometimes the task takes 10 minutes and the drama around it costs 3 hours. Gaman means enduring difficulty with patience, not suppressing emotions, but refusing to turn discomfort into an identity crisis. Next time you feel resistance, name it. This is annoying. This is boring. Then do it anyway. What breaks most people isn't the hard thing, it's the story they tell themselves beforehand. Omoyari. Your life gets harder when you create friction for others. Anticipate how your actions affect people. Interrupting, leaving a mess, arriving late. They cost you trust, energy, opportunities. Before you act, ask, will this make someone's life easier or harder? Send the clear message. Put things back. Be on time. Omoyari isn't weakness, it's social intelligence. Kintsugi. Stop hiding the parts that broke. Most people suffer not because something went wrong, but because they're trying to hide it. Kintsugi repairs broken pottery with gold. The crack becomes part of the story. What broke? What did it teach you? What will you build differently? The strongest people aren't untouched, they're rebuilt. Pick one habit, use it today. Not when life gets easier. Today. Your life doesn't collapse all at once. It collapses through tiny, repeated mistakes. And it rebuilds the same.